How to delete TurboTax account? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete TurboTax account, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all you must go into your TurboTax account. So I'm going to put my email, my password, and once you are inside your TurboTax account you must go to your settings. So here the settings is the Intuit account. There is no word as settings. And here in Intuit account you must go to your data privacy. Here you must scroll down a little and you're gonna find the option delete, permanently delete all or some of your personal data and learn how that will affect your account. So I'm gonna delete it. So here I must choose an option. Perhaps I no longer want my data to be in TurboTax. This is going to persuade you, I don't know, perhaps you want to get fewer emails or cancel a subscription or download your data. But if you don't want any of these and really you want to delete your account, you must click on continue. Make sure you are in the right Intuit account, so it's going to show you your email with your account, so click on continue. And here they're telling you what is going to happen when you delete the data. So usually it takes up to 15 days, so be sure of that. And after you have read all this, you must agree with these terms and conditions. And that's it. Obviously, if you want to finish this process, you must click on delete this data. And here if you try to log in again with your data, obviously you're not gonna be able to get in. As you can see, this is still loading because I have deleted that. Okay, so this is how you can delete your TurboTax account. Thanks for watching.